I'm Murph from the Beefy Boys. We're the winner of the National Burger Awards, Burger Chef of the Year, and 5 times finalist at the World Burger Champs. And today, we're cooking this dirty beast, the Dirty Boy. So the Dirty Boy, it's just a super dirty burger. And sometimes that's what you want in life, is something really dirty and filthy in your mouth. And if that's the case, then this burger is for you. So we're gonna start off with our dirty mayo. And in all honesty, it's probably my favourite sauce that we do. So we take a bit of American mustard, sriracha, Worcestershire sauce, a bit of garlic. It's amazing. Then we also use our dirty onions in there. And we make our dirty onions by using beef dripping, onions, thyme, a bit of brown sugar, a bit of beef stock. It's amazing. And because this is a dirty burger, we're going to layer it up with 4 slices of American cheese. So let's smash! So we're going 4 smash patties on this bad boy. Because, like I said, it's filthy, it's dirty, it's nasty. It's not nasty, it's actually really tasty. That's why we're doing it. But anyway, smash! Dirty onion. Steam. So, that absolutely filthy beast is the Dirty Boy. So if you'd like to put something absolutely filthy in your mouth, I could recommend the Dirty Boy. And if you want to learn how to make it, and make our dirty mayo and our beef dripping onions and all that, and learn about smash patties, burger techniques and all that sort of stuff, then all you need to do is order the Beefy Boys Burger Book. Link in the bio.